This video shows how you can automatically size certain controls so that they fill the panel card that they occupy. So many controls such as lists and maps already have a property that lets you automatically fill the container that the list is in. But for example, a text area doesn't have that property. So you can see here that we have a text area inside a panel card, and when we render this panel card, we can see that the text area here is completely filling the panel card that it's in, and then when I do an orientation change, it still completely fills the panel card that it's in. So let's go take a look at how this was actually done. So you can see here that the text area has a ID of txt1. So in the panel cards on size event, what we've done is we've said that if dialog.object is defined, and the reason that we need to do that is that the panel cards on size event actually will fire initially before the UX component has completely rendered. So we don't want to get any errors, so we check to see that dialog.object is defined. Then we get a pointer to the text area. We get a pointer to the div that contains the text area, because all controls are wrapped in a containing div. And then we set the height of this text area to this.height, which is the height of the panel card, minus 8 pixels, and that accounts for the 4 pixel padding above and 4 pixel padding below the text area, because all controls are wrapped inside a containing div. And then we set the units to pixels. So this basically, this code here sets the height of the text area in the panel cards on size event, but we also need to initially fire this as well. So not only do we do this in the on size event, but if you go here to the client side on render complete event, we get a pointer to the panel card, and then we call its refresh method, which causes the panel cards on size event to fire when the component is initially rendered, and that then resizes the text area. So this is being applied here to a text area, but it could just as easily be applied to a div that was inside a panel card, or some other control that doesn't have a built-in fill container property. Thanks very much for watching.